Do you know the benefits of eating bananas? Bananas, they're not just a popular fruit, they're a versatile culinary ingredient, adding a sweet touch to many dishes. But beyond the taste, bananas pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. This humble yellow fruit, often overshadowed by more exotic superfoods, is a powerhouse of nutrition. And today we're going to peel back the layers, revealing the 5 key reasons why you should consider adding bananas to your diet. Stay tuned as we delve into the 5 main benefits of incorporating bananas into your diet. First off, bananas are a great source of essential vitamins and minerals. They're packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can help your body fight off harmful free radicals. Bananas also have a generous helping of potassium, vital for maintaining a healthy heart and blood pressure. And let's not forget vitamin B6. This wonder nutrient aids in brain development and function. So the next time you're peeling a banana, remember, you're not just enjoying a sweet treat, you're nourishing your body with these vital substances. Secondly, bananas contribute significantly to digestive health. Their high fiber content helps in promoting regular bowel movements, thereby aiding in digestion. This can come in handy if you're looking to lose weight, as fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Furthermore, the fiber in bananas aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation and promoting overall gut health. So, a banana a day could keep the tummy troubles away. Moving on to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th benefits of bananas. Bananas are a natural energy booster, packed with both simple and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates provide quick energy, while complex carbohydrates give sustained energy. This combo makes bananas an excellent pre-workout snack, fueling your body throughout your workout. Let's shift gears and talk about heart health. Bananas, you see, are rich in potassium. This essential mineral maintains the electrical gradients in your body's cells and serves critical functions. One of these functions includes helping your heart beat regularly and reducing high blood pressure, contributing to overall heart health. Finally, let's touch on mood enhancement. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin, a hormone that lifts your mood. So, if you're feeling a bit low, a banana might just be the pick-me-up you need. So, bananas not only keep your body healthy, but they also keep your mood and energy levels up too. As you can see, bananas are quite the superfruit. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, they aid digestion, give you an energy boost, support heart health, and even lift your mood. It's clear that incorporating bananas into a balanced diet is a simple way to reap numerous health benefits. So next time you're at the grocery store, why not add some bananas to your shopping list? Remember, your health is your wealth. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and lifestyle content.